Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can access and use various markup tools in your photo editing projects on Microsoft Designer in 2026. So let us get started. So markup tools are, for example, pens or pencils or eraser tools that may allow you to, draw by hand or remove various texts or shapes you have drawn. Let us show you how to do it. So what you want to do is navigate to your photo editing project here on Microsoft Designer. Next, navigate to the Markup tab here on the left hand side and choose one of the aforementioned tools. Now, usually I work with the Select tool, but you can use also one of these like the pen or pencil, the highlighter, the ink eraser, and choose one of these options. So if you'd like to draw by hand, select this option, choose your color below, adjust the brush thickness, the transparency, and start drawing with your mouse. So that's pretty transparent, like watercolors. So if we remove the transparency, it will look like this, right? And you can draw also straight lines by clicking into this button, and then left click to start or to set the starting point of the line, release or left mouse to set the end point. Here you may adjust the line end like an arrow, and so on and so forth. If you'd like to remove these, use the ink eraser, and you can use these, for example, here, or you may clear all by clicking into this button, and that's how it works. You move back to the Select tool or to the Edit tab. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.